OpenAI has trained cutting-edge language models that are very good at understanding and generating text. Our API provides access to these models and can be used to solve virtually any task that involves processing language. Welcome to AI Insights. Subscribe now so you never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Let's get into the video. ChatGPT is a sibling model to Instruct GPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. During the research preview, usage of ChatGPT is free. Try it now at chat.openai.com. Methods. This model was trained using reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF, using the same methods as Instruct GPT, but with slight differences in the data collection setup. We trained an initial model using supervised fine-tuning. Human AI trainers provided conversations in which they played both sides, the user and an AI assistant. We gave the trainers access to model-written suggestions to help them compose their responses. We mixed this new dialogue dataset with the Instruct GPT dataset, which we transformed into a dialogue format. To create a reward model for reinforcement learning, we needed to collect comparison data, which consisted of 2 or more model responses ranked by quality. To collect this data, we took conversations that AI trainers had with the chatbot. OpenAI randomly selected a model-written message, sampled several alternative completions, and had AI trainers rank them. Using these reward models, they can fine-tune the model using proximal policy optimization. Iterative deployment. Today's research release of ChatGPT is the latest step in OpenAI's iterative deployment of increasingly safe and useful AI systems. Many lessons from deployment of earlier models like GPT-3 and Codex have informed the safety mitigations in place for this release, including substantial reductions in harmful and untruthful outputs achieved by the use of reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Okay, well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this episode and you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.